Hey, what's up, Facebook? Out driving around and about. Oh, Lord. I got hit by a train, by a choo-choo. I had to turn my engine off. We just like sitting ducks, as you see.
Well, I thought something hit my current car.
Huh?
Nah, I thought something hit my current car. I was like, jump.
I had to turn the engine off. Look at that shit. Say hey, Anthony.
Oh, what's up, though?
We just out and about, just having fun, driving around. Had to turn my engine off. Just sitting here, like sitting ducks. What time is it? It's 8:38.
This last one?
I don't know. This is a long train. That's why I turned my engine off.
This train long.
Yeah,
God.
we just like sitting. We like sitting ducks.
This train long. God.
This train is long.
Long as hell.
Yeah. I mean, I was rolling. Until I just bam. Oh well. We just sitting here watching Choo Choo go by.
Oh, God.
Dang. That's gonna make me late to where I'm trying to get to.
Oh, it's over with. It's over.
The longest Choo Choo. Look at that. That's a long train, ain't it, man?
It's too long for the train.
I mean, there's no way around it, to be honest with you. I'm stuck like Chuck. There's no way around it. Like, for real.
Damn. Traffic jam. Traffic jam.
It's not even that serious. What's that? What's that? What you say? What you say?
What you say, bro? Because I ain't say nothing.
Yes, you did.
Help.
What did I say then? What did I say?
Help.
Say, shut up.
I'm stuck. Help.
I just told you.
Beat me up, Scotty. You see the U.S. Enterprise anywhere to beat me up? Get me out of this situation.
That dude's sitting there stuck.
Tripping.
Fuck
Your
him,
phone.
I just call and do.
I just went live and it just said due to poor connection.
I'm a double. Trailer, this GTA.
We just like sitting up.
That's train.
Yeah. Yeah, we stuck. Just temporary stuck. I had to turn my car engine off. That's like sitting up here burning gas. I'm sitting here stuck with right along with other cars here. So I just turned my engine off. Like, wow.
And it's going slow too.
Well, trains do run slow, sweetheart. That's what they do. They run slow.
Maybe I click that shit back there.
He's killing my life.
Let me ask you.
Hold on, bro.
I said, what do you have a weed on? I see you got one on. You said, I don't know why I
Hey, what's his number?
That is in a way kind of like messing me up because I'm not moving.
Trying to tell you, but it's
Yeah,
train
yeah,
long.
Yeah, because see, they could get
It's
it.
fuck. You hear me? Bro, it don't have to be this low. Oh, hell no.
They could get us to
I
another.
told y'all, that
Oh,
train
God.
about 24 miles long.
Oh God, this is messing with my money, like for real. They could get us to another driver, like for real.
just
It's
toss it to somebody else.
Oh my God.
Somebody else. Toss it to somebody else.
Oh.
Pussy.
I ain't gonna lie, this would be a good getaway escape if you try to run the police. You hop right up under them trays. They ain't never catching you. They ain't never catch you.
Oh, tienes sub. Gamas pasang.
Let me know when it's time to rev up this the engine. That train is long as hell, for real.
This
Damn.
traffic jam hard.